Greetings to all of you from Boys Town schools, students and staff. To create a beautiful memory for each student which can be cherished for years to come, annual class photographs were clicked of classes 5th to 10th. Being clicked together created camaraderie and friendship among the Boys Townians. Children beamed with joy to be clicked with their dear principal, beloved teachers and dear classmates. Boys Town goes green again. Esteemed Trustee Neville Sir, Honorable Principal Dr. Swamini Wagh Ma'am, along with the teachers and prefects, planted saplings in the school. Environment awareness and a sense of duty towards our planet was created in the minds of children by the tree plantation drive. Our NCC cadets underwent combined annual training camp at Artillery Center, Nasik Road. Total 21 cadets and 1 ANO, Mr. P.D. Musre Sir, participated. PT, drill, cultural activities, lectures helped the overall development of the cadets. The Interact Club is an activity of the Rotary Club for the students of standards 7th to 9th. Installation ceremony of the same took place with the wholehearted participation of the children. Various activities were conducted to make the students aware about their social responsibilities. Desh Seva, Param Seva. To motivate for the same, career guidance session about the opportunities in defense was conducted by Gallantry Award winner Lieutenant Colonel G. Shiv Kumar. Sir is proud recipient of the Sena Medal, which is awarded for acts of exceptional devotion to duty and courage. Children were highly inspired to think about joining the Defence Forces due to this interaction. We all celebrated our Honorable Trustee Neville Mehta Sir's birthday with love and affection. God bless our dear Sir with health, happiness and peace. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is a historic memorable event for all Indians. To commemorate the same, visit to Maharashtra Police Academy and Army Aviation Base was conducted. At MPA, children saw the life of policemen closely. They understood the important role they play in our lives. 10th standard children met the army men, got first-hand feel of the army equipment and understood the history of the Army Aviation Base. They also visited the War Memorial. Children returned with a sense of pride and gratitude for our defense forces. Stay tuned for the upcoming events. Thank you for watching.